Hi, so we are back with another video. In today's video we will be talking about the missing parts of the laptops, how to complete them, and from where to get those missing parts. So right now in front of me I have two laptops, as you can see. One is the Acer gaming laptop, Acer Aspire VX5591G. So the problem was with this laptop, the back cover of this laptop came from the US with a broken one, and locally in the Middle East this part was not available. So we tried to find a lot, but still it was all in vain. So same case was with this box laptop. Although this laptop is same like MSI GS63, so the back cover, hinges cover here, which used to come here, was missing, and we tried to find it locally with so many stores over here in the Middle East, but we were not able to find the best fit for this laptop. So what we actually did, we searched on Google and found these two parts of the laptops on Aliexpress. We found parts on eBay as well, but actually the problem is when you order the part from eBay, it actually comes very late or delay, or they take a lot of time to deliver. For example, if I will today is September 21, if I will order these two parts on eBay today, then it is going to arrive in Middle East around 1.5 months later. Yes, so you need to wait a lot. So we, instead of ordering from eBay, because products come from US and UK, Australia, different parts of the world, and their shipping time is too much, so we chose Aliexpress, and I ordered these two parts from Aliexpress around 9 or 10 days ago, and in 9 or 10 days it arrived today. So this is the package. As you can see, these two parts just arrived from Aliexpress. Yes, and they are new ones. On the eBay you can find a lot of used parts also, but on Aliexpress you will always get a new match for your required product. So let's open and check how it arrived, like what's the condition of the product, so that maybe if you want to buy anything from Aliexpress, so that you know how it will come in. As I have already told, it came in 10 days, so the shipping time is pretty less than the eBay, like 1.5 months for eBay. So let's check this out. Open it and check the product. So now I have a scissor. I will cut the package from the side like this. So actually there are two boxes inside, because they were separate, two orders, but they combined I really like and appreciate this thing from Aliexpress, that they combined my two orders into one package so that they get delivered same time. I don't need to wait for another parcel because both arrived together. Okay, let's open the inside box. So they are very nicely packed. As you can see, it is very strong box and it will save my product from breakage or any other damages like water. So they are actually making it sure that the product arrive to the end user or the guy who order arrives safe to them. Okay, so there is another box inside this plastic bag. So let's check. Okay, let's cut this all. The scissors are not so very good. By the way, I'm not paid by the Aliexpress. I'm just trying to make an honest review about how eBay and Aliexpress perform. Okay, so this is it. Just throw it out. Oh my god, more tape. Oh, transparent tape over here now. If we can open it, we can go through. Okay, is there any tape there? No. Let's open it. Ta-da! Nice. More protection inside. And then, yes, this is for the Aspire laptop back cover. I'm using my one hand, so things are little slow. Okay, this is brand new and condition is as good as new. Yes, so we have the back cover, a new back cover for this laptop now. Ta-da! We'll change this. Let's remove this one, throw this, and then change this one. As you can see, this back cover is a good fit for this laptop model. Before ordering any product, don't forget to check the model number correctly. Otherwise, after ordering and then it gets shipped to you, it will waste a lot of your time, because if you will return then again the time they take to refund your money. So here you can see it is very nice fit and has no flaw in the back cover, and the laptop is now flawless. That's good. Okay, let's move on to the other box. For this one, I don't know about this one, how the strip little hinge cover arrived. So it is not tangling inside, nicely secured. Okay, where is the scissors? Where are the scissors? Okay, here it is. So my order came from China, Guangzhou. Yes. Okay, so in order to open this one, I will need both hands, I think. Okay. So far so good. They are securing the package very nicely, that you need to take time to open it. Okay, I hope this is open now. Yes. Oh, here it is. Very big box for this little product. So they are not saving their packaging cost. They are just shipping the product safe and sound. This is good, really good. I really appreciate. Okay, I hope this is the one that we were looking for. Okay, just put the boxes over there and then hold the camera here, and then again we will need scissors. Ta-da! Okay, let's try to fit this one. I hope it will work. I hope it will fit correctly. Yes! This is really nice. See? I'm really happy that both of my product arrived accurate and safe. See, both of the level finally ready. Thank you for watching. So this actually review was so that you can order your products from Aliexpress if you like their packaging and the time duration in which they arrive to me. What is this? Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more latest videos regarding laptops or electronic items. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.